Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar and we have the Realme Narzo 20. I'm super confused with all the names which these guys have been launching their phones with. This comes with the Helio G85 chipset, which is called as a gaming chipset. And right now we have PUBG on this, and I'll be playing PUBG for a few minutes and will be showing my experience with the same. Let me, before starting the video, show you the temperature. I'm not going into the battery part because this phone is right now connected to the computer in order to show the current frame rates. Right now the temperature is around 36 degrees on the back, on the front actually, and on the back it's around 35, 33. So it's quite cooled off. Let me first show you the settings and then start playing the game. So let us go to the settings. I'm kind of confused with all the options which we see on PUBG versus Call of Duty. Here I don't even see the options. That's first thing. It's here, it was hidden in a menu. So under graphics, this phone has a graphic setting of HD high, and in terms of HDR, and obviously we won't get all the other options, but in terms of smooth we have the option of ultra, and that's enabled. So I have just enabled that. Let's go out and let's play a game. So guys, the game has just started. As you can see, this is the frame rate, and it's going between 39-40, which isn't bad, I would say. Let's go to Pochinki because it's been a long time I have played the Pochinki location, and let's go there. Time to jump in a few seconds. It's still 1400 meters away. The frame are dropping once in a while. Let's jump, and now I would increase the game sound. After playing Call of Duty, you realize that the guy is flying at very slow speed. The frames are dropping from 33 to 27, which was not expected. I expected a better performance, honestly speaking, and you did notice a crazy frame drop. So not a PUBG smooth phone for sure, I can say that, at least right now. You can notice so many frame drops, which was least expected. Come on dude, open the door. There are guys already shooting. There are no guns here. Okay, I would say I got lucky. And he had a Thompson, but he couldn't kill me. Well, that's surprising. He had a good gun. But anyway, I feel that the game is a bit laggy, that's for sure, with the current experience uh, on this phone. Let's pick up the AKM. That should be a better gun. Let's go to the place. You can see that continuously there are frame drops. That's what I have been noticing also. And this is under the smooth option. That's the current setting, and it's not that smooth. So we have been playing continuously this game. I have set up a timer on the top, as you can see here, and it's continuously showing me the current time. It's around 12 minutes, but you can notice the frame drops 25, 26. So not so smooth experience is what I can say for now. Let's go to the center of this poaching key to find a few guys. Whoa, Mountain Dew, and I can actually purchase it. That's interesting. Why is everyone just sleeping down in the Korean edition? But anyway, we have been having the app running from 13 minutes. Not so smooth experience is what I can say. So while I check the temperature, let the guide go and die. That's okay. So let's take a quick look at the temperature now. It's 42 degrees, quite high, I would say, compared to the other phones which I have tested recently, which are around 38 degrees. 37 on the bottom, 42 in the top part, as you can see here around the camera part. On the front, why has he stopped? Keep running, guys. On the front, it's around 39, 41. So not so smooth experience is first thing which I can share my first impressions about this phone. It's not that smooth. As you can see, there have been consistently frame drops, and this has been the experience with the Realme Narzo 20 smartphone. That's it, guys. Let me just change the settings again and probably also play a Call of Duty game on this smartphone and share my experience about the same. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed. As you can see here, the frame drops are consistently dropping. So that was something which I wanted to highlight, and that's consistently shown here. And I didn't expect this from a phone which is priced between 10 to 15,000 rupees.